Today, I'll show you how to make these tags and labels for your junk journals using my collage sheet. Here's some of the items we'll use. Ring fasteners, needle nose plier to open the jump ring on the fastener, distress ink and a sponge to do the edges with, alphabet stamps in case you want to stamp any little word on your tags like I did here, and a hole punch. I've already cut them out and have them all ready to antique the edges. I take this sponge. I like this distress ink right here. Put that in there. I go around the edges like this. One of the great things about distressing edges is it kind of hides any mistakes you might make in cutting out with your scissors because it softens the edge. And then also, if you use white cardstock like I do, it hides that if you happen to leave an edge on there. I cut the little rectangles out with a paper cutter to make them nice and straight. Now I'll line these up, and you kind of want I'm going to punch a hole in them. Kind of want that hole closer to the edge, like that. I did that one already. Let's just punch one here. Okay. I have these little stamps. I'm not sure where I got them. I took this distress ink and stamped love on one of those tags. I really like these ring fasteners. It has a little jump ring there. So I'll take that and I'm going to put my tags on here first. And then I'll close it up. Needle nose pliers. Make it a lot easier on your fingers. So here we go this far. When you use jump rings, you always want to twist. Don't open, pull apart, twist side to side. That's why they're called jump rings. They'll jump right back in. I think I'm going to put this one about right here, so I'm just going to kind of move that a little bit. I'm thinking about right here, maybe right there on that little line. So, punched my hole. These fasteners were not very expensive. I think I bought them either at Michael's or on Amazon, somewhere like that. Maybe you probably find them at Hobby Lobby. So,